Are you tired of swimming in squares that only work on one side of the board? Introducing the all-new Rapid Rafter. Our square has the features of a normal square, but best part of all, the Rapid Rafter is double-sided and allows you to mark both sides of the board without having to move it, saving you valuable time and making it more accurate. The Rapid Rafter's patent-pending design also allows you to add your favorite magnetic torpedo level. When you're done using it, the Rapid Rafter folds flat for convenient storage. Awesome sauce! Rapid Rafter, when consistent accuracy counts. Get yours today.